My name's Keith Young. I'm with Young Electrical Services, and I'm the president.
So my name is David Mill. The company is called Scelta, and I'm the founder and CEO. We help contractor owners become better managers. You know, it's nice for an owner of a company to be able to wake up Monday morning, put their feet back, have their coffee, and understand that all of their employees know exactly where they're going, exactly what they're doing, and they can just watch their project progress on a day-to-day basis.
Let's say, for example, delays in the office or paying the employees, working on that kind of stuff. So they got that. Project manager, I'll send information here, I'll get information. You know, we're all kind of like working on our own thing, but not in the same spot, right? So today they presented to us the platform that they created specific for our company, which is super cool. In a predetermined, like we designed the way how we want to see that information too, right? So they were like, here, Young Electric, what do you need? How do you do it now? And how do you want to improve?
So oftentimes as owner managers will understand that I don't think my guys will ever use this. My guys are very old school. They've been doing this for many years because a lot of the people we deal with are, 50 plus. They grew up in an era where, this was the way we did things. Pen and paper, timestamps, that was how we ran our jobs. But you'd be surprised. Once you put the power in the hands of your employees and you give them some sort of, feeling of individuality and like they're actually a part of the project, it's that sense of gratification that like, hey, what I'm doing at this company is actually making an impact. And my boss can see that on a regular basis.
It's a small detail that no one really pays attention to is I won't have to decipher men's handwriting because it's terrible. Some are like children, some are scribbles. And I'm swearing because it's true. It's like, I don't know what this says. I don't know what you were doing. So now they're gonna type it in their phone. And it's all gonna look the same. And I'm excited for that.
Working with Young Electric, when I first spoke with Keith, I understood that his long-term plan was to become more efficient as a company. So I definitely think there are contractors out there with the same mindset as Keith, that they want to continually adapt to the digital era. Now, our whole mission is to equip these contractors with the tools for this digital era. As you know, everything's moving so fast. And in my opinion, the construction industry is probably, one of the most successful industries, however, one of the most behind industries at the same time. If you look at some of the practices that they do, they're still very manual. You go on any construction site across Canada, you'll probably still see someone using pen and paper.
The reason, I think Scelta and, Young Electric we go hand in hand is there's projections for both of us that are going upward, right? So they want to work with us to get here. We want to work with them to get here. Right now the company is this big, has its own set of problems, needs, wants. But when the company is this big, well, then we might need a different set of needs, wants. But Scelta will move with us on that. The app's going to grow with us. The platform's going to grow with us, which is comforting, right? Like we can make it what we want. We can make it what we need and just gear it towards that growth.